guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Suma. Thank you so much for watching. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you all a new brand that I tried and I thought I'll review it for you guys. So this video is going to have a part 2 as well. In that video, I'm going to share a night cream and a day cream from the same brand, like how I use it and how I liked it. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about their face washes. So the brand we're talking about is Mamaearth, and I've been hearing a lot about this brand for so long. There are people who have been using their shampoo, their deep conditioners, which are silicone free, which is really amazing for curly hair, and I've heard multiple reviews about them. So if you are a long time follower of me, I mean on my videos or on Instagram, you definitely know that I am someone who do not use much commercial products. Commercial in the sense, I do not use supermarket brands. I use organic brands. I use brands which are sulfate, silicone free, which are handmade and organic. So it's kind of very rare for me to try brands which are commercial and yet give good results. So Mamaearth is one of such brands that I am really impressed because of, though being commercial, they do not have commercial ingredients in them. The ingredients are very much filtered, and they actually give you the full ingredient list as well, and they're very much transparent with their customers on what actually goes into the product. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my review or my take on two of the face washes that I've tried. So one is the Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. This is for acne and pimples, and the other one is the Mamaearth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron. So these face washes both are SLS and paraben free. As we go talking about the products, you'll be seeing a demo of the product as well, so you know how the product looks and how it is going to work. So firstly, I want to talk about the Upton face wash. This face wash is something which is really different from the face washes I've used because of its consistency. Both of them I've used for 1 week, so I really know how they are and how they're working. So the Upton face wash is really like an Upton, guys. Like when you really mix the basin, the turmeric, the curd, everything, when you make the Upton at home, it looks kind of a yellowy yogurt kind of a mixed texture. That's the same texture this Upton has. Ingredients it has is carrot seed oil, vitamin E, turmeric powder, licorice extract, orange oil, yang oil, and patchouli oil. So these are the ingredients it has in it, along with other ingredients that are needed to be added in a face wash. As we already know that it's free of SLS and paraben, it's also free of artificial fragrances, so there's no fragrance added. The licorice extract in this face wash really repairs the sun damage, while the carrot seed oil removes tan from the upper layer of the skin, and it is also enriched with walnut beads, which exfoliates dead skin cells. Antioxidants in it, like turmeric, protect the skin cells from free radical damage and lightens the skin tone. About lightening of the skin, it really means brightening the skin, and also it's a really good face wash for the Upton face wash. There are two major advantages. One is you're going to get all the benefits that an Upton provides in day-to-day basis using the face wash, and secondly, you're going to save a lot of time mixing the Upton, because every day in the morning when you wake up, we sometimes do not find, most of the time we do not find time to mix everything up and put on face and wait for like 5-10 minutes for it to work. And that way there is so much of time that is being saved, and you're going to get all the advantages from this face wash. So that is all about the face wash, and and let's move on to the next one. So the next face wash we are looking at here is the tea tree face wash with tea tree and neem, and it is for acne and pimples. This is again paraben and SLS free, hypoallergenic, suits all skin types. One thing about this face washes is that these are made for all skin types, so you need not look for dry to normal, normal to dry, or sensitive skin. So the ingredients in these are safe on all skin types. You might have dry skin, sensitive skin, or normal to oily skin, and are all natural, so you do not worry about if it suits your skin or not, because they are fragrance free as well. So this face wash is composed of tea tree and neem as the main ingredients, along with other ingredients as aloe vera extract, lavender oil, and neem leaf extract. For me personally, tea tree oil is something which I trust for acne, and it really works. If at all you have tried, you would definitely see good results while using tea tree oil for acne. I've used it before, and I also use it whenever I do some DIY face washes, or whenever I'm looking at acne or pimple face wash. I definitely look for tea tree oil as an ingredient in it because it really works while using on your face. So this is one of such face washes which has tea tree oil in it as one of the main ingredients. And this face wash, you can use it every day, and if you're someone who is suffering with any kind of acne, I think you should definitely use this face wash along with this one. Maybe you can do one thing. You can actually, curate a skincare routine by using face washes as per your need. Face wash in the morning, to give you that fresh effect on your look, and then during the night when you're applying any kind of medication on your skin, you can go with tea tree face wash and then go on with the rest of the skincare for your acne, or whenever you see that there is something new coming on your face. I think that way both of them are really good face washes. I definitely want you guys to try them, and if you would like to try them, do not forget to use my code SUMA20 on their website, SUMA Suma, on the website. Face washes both on Amazon.in and also on Mamaearth.in. While you're buying the face wash, you can use the coupon code SUMA20 Suma20 for you to get some discount on the product. Use my code as well on their website, guys. I hope this video is helpful. I'll definitely come out with videos explaining other products that I really like and which are really affordable for you to try. So yes, I hope this video is helpful, and there's going to be a part 2 for this video as well, where I'll be talking about the day cream and night cream from Mamaearth. So make sure you watch that video as well, and thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Bye. See you in the next video.